Hi folks, Michael P. from the Tech Office at Pinckney Community Schools with a quick how-to on embedding your Google Calendar into your Blogger website. So here's how we're going to make that happen. You can see I'm logged into the back end of my Blogger website, and I actually have a few different sites available, but I'm going to go ahead and go edit this site right here, 2010-810 Birmingham. It's an existing blog that I used a couple years ago for a class. So I'm going to show you how to do things right on this. So I'm going to actually jump right to the design part of my blog, and you can see this is where I can add and arrange and make all kinds of changes. And what I'm going to do is add a gadget to the side or to the sidebar of my blog. And so here's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on this Add a Gadget right here, and then once I've done that, I'm going to scroll through here and use one of the basic areas here called HTML JavaScript. When I click on that, it's going to ask me for some code. Well, I don't have that yet, so I need to go get it. So let's go find my calendar. And when I do that, if I just jump out here, you'll see here's my Google Calendar that I have all set up, and I've got some different things, and one that I'd like to share, here's the summer workshop. So I'm going to go look at the settings on that summer workshop area, and so there's the calendar details. And what I need to find is the embed code. Right there, embed this calendar, so I can embed that somewhere. So all I need to do is find that, and I can copy that right there. Now notice it says right here, customize the color, size, and other options. This is important. If we jump back over to my blog, so I have a specific size that I can look at. So here's what my blog looks like. Now I want it to show up right over in this area here. So I don't want it to be huge, I need it to be appropriately sized. So here's how I make those changes. So jump back out here, customize the color and size and other options, and this right now shows me how big that will be. Well, I'm going to make mine smaller. Let's guess about 300 pixels wide. Ooh, that looks just about right, doesn't it? And I think I'll make it about 300 high as well, and that makes it kind of like a little square. I like that. So what it's done is it's fixed up all the HTML code that I need right there, so I don't have to learn what any of that means. And I'm going to copy that, Apple C, and I'm going to jump back over to my blog, to the design area, back to my gadget that I was creating, and I am going to paste that right in here, Apple V, and I'll call this my calendar. Now what I want you to notice is right down here, notice how it says width 300, height 300, and that's something that we just changed. You can come back and change that. So let's just pretend, and I'll do that on purpose here, that I had made it 500 wide, and I save that code just like that. And then I go out here and I preview it. It's going to open in this tab right here, and look, oh no, it's way too big. I don't want that. So I can go back and edit that. Again, this is just a preview. So I'm going to jump back and edit my calendar, and I'm going to change that down to 300 wide, and I can change the height there if I wanted to as well. I'll save that, and ba-boom. Let's preview it one more time, and look, calendar fits just about perfectly right there in the sidebar. There are lots of other tools that you can use in that sidebar, but that is one that's required, so make sure that you learn how to embed those. All right, any questions? Go ahead and send me an email. Good luck.